Hello and welcome to the walkthrough of the Daily Telegraph Prize crossword on Saturday, 23rd of July, number 30,047. Start with one across. Shattered crash test cards okay in this disadvantaged area. That's going to be an anagram of crash test cards okay, meaning disadvantaged area is going to be across the tracks, other side of the tracks, wrong side of the tracks, that sort of thing. So I think that's going to be right. 8 across, in retrospect transfer person recording speed, say. So in retrospect transfer, so if you transfer something you might say you remit it, and in retrospect that gives us a timer, which might be somebody's recording speeds. So we can stick that in. Ooh, that T's not very nice. Let's get a nicer T there, I think. 9 across, record entry about fierce beast returning around start of summer. That's going to mean record entry about his re. A fierce beast could be a tiger. All of that returning going in the other direction. Around S for the start of summer gives us a register. 11 across, cleansers bogus power over heart of pathogens. This is going to mean cleanser, a cleanser, and then bogus is sham. P for power, O for over, heart of pathogens is also an O. It's the heart, the central letter. That gives us shampoo. For a cleanser, 12 across, some treat in Torquay to use up profits maybe. This is 2 words, but it's in those words, treat in Torquay, and it's going to be eat into to use up profits. 13 across, region circling northern, sphere of action. Region's an area, going around N for northern gives us arena for a sphere of action. 15 across, small crowd grief, mostly before oddly terminable kangaroo court. Okay, so this is S for small. Crowd grief is a howl, mostly get rid of the L before oddly terminable, so it's the odd letters of that word, and it's going to be T, R, I, A, and L, and that gives us show trial for a kangaroo court. 17 across, reserved, comedian essentially shy and strained. Reserved, it's going to mean reserved. A comedian could be a wit, essentially shy, so the essence of shy, the central letter is H. If somebody's strained face, you could say they look drawn. So we have drawn for strained, and that gives us withdrawn for reserved. 20 across, darkest time, man on board reported. Very straightforward clue. Homophone, it's going to be night. Chessman, homophone of night with a K. 21 across, part of fleet ideally, finding helpful current. This is also in the words, again 2 words within words, a bit odd. It's going to be a lee tide. And 23 across, rent trouble, that's potentially destructive. Well, if something's rent, it can be torn. A trouble could be a do, and a tornado is potentially destructive. 25 across, rum and asti I mixed in dessert. It's going to be a dessert. Anagram of rum, asti I. It's going to be that Italian favourite tiramisu. 26 across, strip of wood India put together for their police pattern. Yeah, slightly odd one this. A strip of wood can be a lath, can't it, that you plaster onto. India in the phonetic alphabet is I, and a lath that you had to look one up is a Indian police pattern. So there we go, learn something new. 27 across, potato father had mashed instantly. This again is a big anagram, meaning instantly, and it's going to be at the drop of a hat. That's the across, let's do the down. 1 down, cunningly we reinstall a source of water, so this is a big anagram as well. Source of water might be a artesian well. 2 down, turning up in cab murder dance. This is in the words turning up. It's going to be rumba for the dance. 3 down, dumping ground, aim of metrication fanatics. Well, if you don't want to use imperial units, you want to scrap the yard or scrap yard for a dumping ground. 4 down, mischievous brats. Ultimately admit is T, the ultimate letter. Mistakes are errors, and all the little terrors are mischievous brats. So terrors for that one. 5 down, artist, composer, ignoring A. So composer is going to be Elgar, ignoring the A. And then Umberto Eco is a writer from Italy, so it's just Eco, and that gives us El Greco, one of my favourite artists. 6 down, with 1 being admitted, pause exam. Pause is arrest. 1 being admitted gives us resit for a type of exam. 7 down, court, skinny, rat, washing. So court is C in cricket. Skinny is lean. If you rat on somebody, you might sing. And cleansing means washing. 10 down, surprise, solicitation. For 1 promoting alliances. Big anagram this of solicitation. 1 promoting alliances might be a coalitionist. 14 down, sort out exit terms for hardliner. So sorted out those words, exit terms. Hardliner is going to be extremist. 16 down, musical character left, cycling round, upset, old hag. So it's an anagram of left, those letters cycling around. An old hag could be a crone going the other way, upset. The musical character is going to be a tenor clef, not one you come across every day, perhaps, but it is a thing. 18 down, a row about English students' workroom. So a tier is a row, maybe. English student is EL. Going around or going inside a tier gives us atelier for a workroom. 19 down, type of contract US Democrats would appreciate. This is in bridge, isn't it? You have a no Trump contract. And 22 down, enraged, sea dog beheaded. So T dog is a pirate. Behead the pirate, you get irate for enraged. And the final one, it's kind of bomb in letter people drop. So it is an H bomb, but it's actually, and people drop the letter H, don't they? And it's actually spelling it out as you should do, not H, but H. So there we go. That's 24 down. And there we go, another one done. Took a bit longer than normal. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep on crossing. Hope you're not at Dover. And if you're going on holiday, have a great holiday. Keep on crossing. See you again soon.